What's up, guys? Back out in the woods, just living it. So as this spring and summer is coming, I plan on doing a lot with y'all. There's a goose right there. So come on, bud, let's go. Let's go do something. Because I'm bored.
Yeah.
So that river is hella high. It definitely got hit with hella rain. Definitely got hit with hella rain. Shit is high. Seen about 3 to 4 deer today. A nice little.
This is a good fishing
It's going.
spot.
It's an alright fishing spot. That tree's gonna fall one of these years. Get up under there. Get up in there.
Not a fishing.
That ain't gonna fall, bub.
No, it's not that. It's good.
Woo! I almost slid into the river. This ain't nothing but thorns. I'm just taking it all the thorns. Little nature walk. Look over here, bub. We could set up that stove right there and fish and cook and fillet that shit.
Yeah, we can just go kill him right here.
Put a tent right over here. Yeah, we can put a tent anywhere. This is probably the best place to be, bub. You'd put a tent off this bridge, kind of, when the water ain't gonna get this high. Why the fuck's this bridge here? Here's a sketchier bridge, but you'll be alright. Dude, we might have to put the tent farther away from where we're gonna put the stove, and we're gonna have to move the stove maybe over here. We can like go off the trail over there that way a little bit. Put a tent down and stay there for the night.
Yeah.
That's my plan this summer. I want to get some videos of us being out. And here, hold this cord. Get me in it. Well, I'm planning on getting videos of us fishing that river right there. And maybe we could probably get right down in there and like try to fillet a little bit in there, but we would need a fillet set, a knife set. I'm gonna try to get videos of like butchering chickens, but I'm gonna get some chicks and raise them up and do it all. If you want to help, Damien, ourselves.
Yeah, I want to help.
Teach you how to butcher a chicken while teaching everybody on there how to butcher a chicken if they don't do it. I want to learn how.
Yeah.
I was thinking about down in here would be a perfect spot
Yeah.
to put a tent and go fishing in that pond right there.
Yeah.
We could just sit around here, cast out a few lines, try to see what we can get over here. Grab some trees and like put them up like a little teepee and just stay there for a night.
Yeah.
Have like a fire going.
Just like the old-fashioned days.
The old-fashioned days, all back in on Decatur, Indiana.
Yeah.
On the YouTube from go fishing. See what we can bring in at this pond again this year. I need to renew my license. Same year I have to renew. Well, I might as well renew my driving license at the same time. Go to where I do all that bullshit at.
Yep.
Over here is like a nice little woodsy area.
Yeah, we can put the tent over here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Tent right here. We have all this stuff.
And then we can put more extra tents over here. whoever wants to come.
Put a tent out. We can try to get a few people. Have someone put a tent around here, around there.
Yeah.
We have all this nice little woodsy here. We got little stream path
Yeah.
right through there. I'll be having much before summer. I got a lot of shit I got to do. All my boots are fucking torn up so bad. Now I'm not able to do it. We could put like a teepee out here where we're farther in the woods.
Yeah, honestly.
We could put a teepee around here, but I tell you, this is gonna be nothing but mud over here if it rains. But you know, a little bit of mud ain't never killed nothing. I'm gonna end that where it's at because I got low battery. I'll post some more as the time goes on.